Welcome to Explain the Charts, your go-to source for in-depth cryptocurrency market analysis. Today, August 1st, 2025, we're putting Litecoin, symbol TCUSD, under the microscope, combining recent news with detailed chart patterns to give you a comprehensive trading perspective. Let's start with the latest news influencing Litecoin, which paints a fascinating picture. Just yesterday, the SEC delayed Grayscale's Litecoin ETF decision until October 10, 2025, creating some near-term uncertainty. However, this delay might have already been priced into the market, as the net asset value discount for the Litecoin Trust has largely disappeared, suggesting anticipated demand is already factored in. Looking beyond the immediate, the broader regulatory environment for crypto ETFs appears to be softening, especially following the U.S. presidential election. The SEC is even considering allowing BlackRock to include staking in its Ethereum trust, a potential game-changer that could pave the way for more innovative crypto investment products. Crucially, today's August newsletter from the Litecoin Foundation revealed a massive development. MEI Pharma is initiating a $200 million Treasury strategy with Litecoin, making them the first publicly traded LTC holder. This institutional adoption is a significant bullish catalyst, signaling growing confidence in Litecoin's long-term viability and utility. Additionally, a new partnership with Brain Wallet, a self-hosted Litecoin wallet, enhances security and accessibility, supporting organic growth. The founder, Charlie Lee, has also been quoted saying crypto is about to get king crazy, echoing a strong bullish sentiment from within the community. Now, let's turn our attention to the daily chart for LTCUSD, covering the past year and a half to uncover significant trends and key price levels. We can clearly see a strong bullish impulse between November and December 2024, where Litecoin surged from around $70 to highs near $140. This impressive rally established a critical resistance zone around the $140 mark, a level it tested multiple times, notably in January and February 2025, before seeing significant pullbacks. Following these failed attempts to break above $140, Litecoin entered a corrective phase, consolidating and finding strong support in the $70 to $80 range during March and April 2025. This $70 zone has acted as a crucial support level on several occasions, proving its significance to market participants. The $100 to $105 level, which previously acted as resistance back in March 2024, has since turned into a pivotal support area after the major breakout in late 2024. Examining the more recent price action in July 2025, Litecoin has shown a promising rebound from its lower consolidation range, steadily climbing back above the $100 psychological level. The close of the last full daily candle on July 31st stands at $106.04. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can observe the intraday volatility and more granular price movements that led to the July 31st daily close. We see a tight trading range in late July, indicating a period of indecision before the slight move down to the current reported price. Now, correlating this with the news, the highly bullish announcement of MEI Pharma's $200 million Treasury play, which was released today, August 1st, has not yet been fully reflected in the provided daily chart data, which cuts off at July 31st. This implies that we could see a significant upward price reaction in the coming hours or days as the market fully absorbs this major institutional adoption. While the SEC ETF delay for October might create short-term selling pressure, the larger narrative of softening regulatory stances and new partnerships remains a powerful underlying bullish force for Litecoin. A strong push above the $115 to $120 resistance zone would confirm renewed bullish momentum, potentially targeting the $140 major resistance once again. In the short term, if Litecoin can maintain its position above the $100 level, this zone will serve as robust support, confirming a higher low in the overall trend. A dip below $100 might find interim support at $90 to $95 before potentially retesting the $80 area, which is a stronger historical floor. For long-term investors, accumulation in the $80 to $100 range could be seen as an opportune entry given the positive fundamental developments and the potential for a broader crypto market upturn. To recap, important price levels to watch are the immediate support at $100 to $105, with stronger foundational support at $80 and a critical floor around $70. On the upside, immediate resistance is seen at $115 to $120, followed by the significant overhead resistance at the $140 psychological barrier. An unbiased prediction suggests a 60% likelihood of a bullish continuation in the short to medium term, primarily driven by the fresh institutional adoption news from MEI Pharma and the general positive sentiment from regulatory discussions. This likelihood is reinforced if daily volume increases significantly on green candles, indicating strong buying interest. A 30% chance exists for sideways consolidation between $100 and $115 as the market digests the mixed signals from the ETF delay versus the institutional play. Only a 10% likelihood of a significant bearish reversal is foreseen, which would typically be triggered by unexpected negative macro news or a sharp downturn in the broader crypto market, breaking the $100 support with conviction. Things to look for include follow-through volume on any upward moves, confirmation of the $100 level acting as solid support, and any further updates on BlackRock's staking proposal or the Grayscale ETF decision in October. These factors will be crucial in determining Litecoin's trajectory for the rest of the year. That's all for today's in-depth analysis of LTCUSD. Be sure to subscribe to explain the charts for more insights.